So we're new in the Bay Area and we've heard people rave about the roasted crabs in Than Long. It is a Vietnamese seafood restaurant in San Francisco. So when my friend Mark from New Mexico came to visit, we took her there, and much as we enjoyed the experience and the food, there was some hassle, like parking was difficult. It took us 20 minutes to find the parking in San Francisco, and it is just too pricey. One crab cost more than $70. And of course, that comes with the ambiance and the service. But honestly, there wasn't really much of an ambiance. So this is my version of the roasted crabs like the one in Tan Long, which my husband said tastes much better. And it is much cheaper. This dish with 3 roasted crabs costs $72 compared to the over $70 for just one crab in Tan Long. I'm not a professional chef, I'm just a regular person who's having fun cooking that my family will enjoy, and I hope my friends will enjoy too. So I made this dish when our dear Tita Vicky and Tito Efren from Fresno came to visit us this week as part of the week-long celebration of Tito Efren's birthday. Hindi pala naghihimoy ng crab si Tito Efren, so Tita Vicky lovingly did it for him. They're so sweet. So come on, join me as I cook this. It is so easy, you can do it too. If you end up buying live crabs, you need to steam them, take the shell off and save the shell, scrape the fat from the shell and the body, and save the fat because you will need that for later. And then remove the gills and the flaps. It would have been easier if I used pre-cooked dungeness crabs, but they were not available. After cleaning them, you cut them in half or in quarters if you have bigger crabs, so you'll end up with serving size pieces. So we'll be using half a head of garlic that I already minced and a stick of butter for 3 dungeness crabs. Okay, so now we add 1 stick of butter. Now that the butter has melted, we add our minced garlic, and then we fry them for about a minute. We don't really want them to brown. Then we add a tablespoon of chicken powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then we add some pepper and just mix it. Now you lower the heat because you don't want the garlic to be brown, and get half of this butter garlic mixture and save it for later. We add the crabs. Then we try to mix it as much as we can. What we're trying to do is to get all that garlic butter sauce sa crabs natin. Now that we're done, we're gonna transfer this to a baking dish or to a skillet, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. Before we put them in the oven, lalagyan natin siya ng crushed garlic. Hindi nyo na kailangan balatan yung garlic. You don't have to be proper with your garlic, basta crushed lang siya. So now we're getting ready to put this in the oven, and we would cover it with foil. You transfer it to a baking dish, to a foil pan, or to a skillet. So now we put that in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we're done baking. Now we're gonna transfer it to a serving dish. Transfer na natin siya kasi gagamitin natin tong pan to make our fried rice. So remember the garlic butter sauce that we saved earlier? We're gonna pour that over our crabs before serving it. So when you plate them, You can either serve them cut up on a serving dish, or to make it look more impressive, put two halves together, put the shell over them to make it look like a crab again. Whatever works for you. So kung saan natin binake yung crab, doon natin lulutuin ang ating fried rice. But this time, may konting twist. Lalagyan natin siya ng yung taba ng crabs na nakuha natin kanina. We'll put about 3 tablespoons of that para lumasa. So we fry it for a little bit. Then we're gonna add 1/4 slice of lemon para mawala yung fishy taste ng crab. And now we add the rice. I think this is good. I didn't season this anymore. Yung sinison natin garlic butter sauce, yun ang lasa nito. Now you have a bowl of fried rice with crab fat that will go with your roasted garlic crabs.
Very delicious dinner. Very, very delicious.
Thank you.
And made with love.
And made with love.
O, di ba kaya nyo rin gawin yon? Mas mura na, mas masarap pa. If you want to watch more, please click here or somewhere to see my latest video. I also talk about personal finance, saving money, saving time. And if you vibe with those topics, please like the video, consider subscribing. It's all in good fun and hope you get some value out of it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Peace!